tell a story. So I was at Ulta like a week ago, and I was just shopping, needed to pick up some concealer, just trying to figure out what I needed, and I see Eyelure came out with pre-glued lashes. What? Pre-glued lashes. So I'm here to test it out because it says that you can get 15 hours of wear out of them, and it'll take you 15 seconds to apply. Also, I got the Style Exaggerate. Okay, whatever. I got the Style Exaggerate. That's not exaggerate to me, it's fine, but whatever. The literally, like, the classic one was like so boring. I'm like, no. I wanted to try these on camera though, because why not? Oh, okay, so it's no glue, no mess, no stress. That's what it says on the box here, and I'm like, whatever. That band is thick though, like real thick. Okay, maybe I don't. Okay, I'm not gonna cut any off and we're just gonna see from there. That could ruin this whole thing because I'm assuming that these aren't more than one time use. So it's like you put it on, it's on. Like, you're done. Like, that's it, bye-bye. Like, I can get like a lot of uses out of my lashes. Not with these. Should I put mascara on first? Yeah. Frick, I'm like nervous to film this. Well, cause I think it's because like, I'm gonna be going to work too, like doing this. So, and I'm also gonna bring glue along with me because like at work I'm like, I wanna like look good. It literally says you can apply these in 15 seconds. So I don't know if that means like one takes 15 seconds or they both take 15 seconds. So I'm gonna time it and we're gonna see. I'm gonna try to get both lashes like ready because I want to see if they mean, because I want to see if like if it takes me 15 seconds to apply one or if they're saying it should take me 15 seconds. Oh my god, these are sticky. Okay, I mean that's a good sign, I guess. I don't know. Okay, I just want to see. It's probably gonna take, they're probably meaning like 15 seconds for one. I'm assuming. I don't know. Okay. Ready? I'm nervous. Okay, let's just pop it on. Let me sneak you in a little closer here so you can see. Okay, we're going. What? Oh, that took me 12 seconds. Okay, hold on. Please don't come off. Okay, we're not using the tweezers. That band is like, these are not exaggerate lashes. Okay. Okay. Okay, first impression, I mean, I'm good enough at applying lashes by now that like I can't feel them when I have them on. These I can 100% feel. I mean, they're on. I can't believe this is a thing. The band is super thick though. Oh god. What do y'all think? Can you... I don't know what's going on over here. Okay. I'm gonna tell you my thoughts so far. One, I can feel them a lot more than I can feel my normal lashes. Like when I put normal lashes on, which is fine. I understand it's a thicker band too, and it's like, whatever. Two, this one is doing something wonky and I don't really know like what it's doing. Like this one looks really pretty. This one is kind of just like, hey, like I'm here too, like don't forget. Okay, there's a lot of like adhesive on it though. So it feels like it's gonna, I mean it's, obviously it's been like 2 minutes that I've had it on. We're just gonna have to see what happens. I mean, so far so good. The one thing that like is kind of like, not annoying, but like it's something that I do a lot when I apply normal lashes, is I squeeze my lash together like to my natural lash. With these you just can't because that glue is on all sides. So when you squeeze it down, it is like, so I don't know. So far they're great. It also says 15 hours though of wear. I'm not going to be wearing them for 15 hours. It is 12:03. I'm probably going to be wearing them for like 10. So sorry. I was not about to get up at 8 a.m. to film this video so I could wear them for 15 hours. I am going to put a little bit more mascara on though. Normally I would never apply mascara like to the actual lash, but I'm probably not going to be wearing these again, honestly. Although I might try to apply them for this video also. I might try to apply them tomorrow too to see like, can you even get 2 uses out of it, or is it more of a like one and done kind of thing? Because I'm assuming these are like a one and done kind of thing. Like they're for the people who don't necessarily want to wear fake lashes all the time or know how to put them on, but want to wear them for like night out and stuff like that. Listen, I'm pretty happy with it, I can't lie. So, I wouldn't call this style like exaggerate at all. But this is because this is like the normal lash that I wear on an everyday occasion. So like I would call this more of a natural. But like I understand if it's in the mindset of for like somebody who doesn't ever wear fake lashes and doesn't want to learn how to put them on but wants them for like a night out, like that would definitely be this style. It's super pretty in that sense, but like to me the name exaggerate is like no. I'm just gonna finish my makeup really quick. I've been loving this I'm So Lit highlight from Wet n Wild. It's incredible, guys. Just like, can I show you this really quick? Do you see that? Oh my god, I just put way too much on. Frick. Okay, I'm just gonna pop on a lip. The rest of my check-ins are gonna be on my phone because I'm not bringing my camera everywhere, especially not to work. I will try to update you right before I go to work, which is at 4. And then I will try to update you like one more time before I do like my closing, just so we can kind of do a little check-in. So, yeah, it's 12. Try to update you at 4. Then I'll try to update you around 8. And then we'll close it off at 10. See you in a bit. Wow, I put too much highlight on. Okay, bye. Okay, so it's about 2 hours later. I just wanted to do a quick update. It's 2 o'clock now. Dude, these lashes, like, they're pretty good. Like, they're not coming off. Like, they're stuck to my lash bands. I mean, they're stuck to my lashes. So, like, let me show you. So, like, you can see, like, it's on there. Like, there's no gaps or anything in between, like, where my skin is and where the lash is. And I can't feel them anymore either, which is nice. Like, I think I said earlier, like, I could feel them. And I mean, now it feels like a normal pair of lashes. So, I'm pretty impressed with these. I don't think I mentioned earlier. I don't remember if I did, but they're only $5. So, I mean, so far they seem great. Like, we'll have to see. Yeah, I'll update again in probably about 2 hours. And then my next update might be like 10 o'clock. So, but yeah, I mean, so far they're hanging in there. Took a bunch of selfies. Yeah, that's it. That's the first check-in. It's funny, I have like a lot more options when it comes to this job that I'm going to right now on what to wear, but I still wear all black. Whatever. Lashes are still holding up really well. And it's about to be the 4-hour mark. So, just another little update. Okay, bye. Okay, so it's like 8 o'clock right now. No, it's like 7:30, I think. This inner corner is like falling off and I can't get it to go back on. And like, do you see, it's like sticking. There's a little piece like that's like sticking to my eyelid. I don't think they're gonna make it till 10, but like, this is still a pretty big, like, I mean, like, I think they're still pretty good, but I'm gonna keep them on. I'm just gonna be annoyed for the next, like, 2.5 hours, and we will go from there. So I will still let you know, like, my final thoughts, unless they, like, completely fall off. You'll still see them on at 10 o'clock, okay? Bye. Okay, you guys, so I'm filming this on my phone because I don't wanna get my camera out. It is the end of the night. It is about 10:30. I have had these lashes on for about 10.5 hours. Now, I have some thoughts about them for sure, as you can, like, you've seen my clips and everything of okay, so these say 15 hours. I would not say they're gonna be 15 hours, like they're gonna be a comfortable 15 hours, because I'm at 10 and I'm like, get these off of me. So, okay. So okay, hold on. So, looking up close, this one is definitely falling off on the inner corner. And this one is falling off a little in the middle. Now, because they are pre-glued, and it's falling off in the inner corner, it's like that glue that was on there is like basically gone now. So, there's no like reattaching it if it falls off like that. But that didn't start happening until like about I would say like 7-ish, like around there. So I still had them on for a good 7 hours before I was like, okay, this is annoying. And it's only that part that's annoying me. So it's like everything else is like pretty comfortable now. For a bit there, like at the beginning, I had this one, like there's glue on like the actual band on both sides of the band. And so when I would blink, and I have hooded eyes too, a few times when I blink, I would get some of the glue up here, and then like there would be like a clip there. I did think I had it in a clip. There was a part where my lash was like stuck to the top of my crease right here. But when I mentioned that in my clip, that was about the last time I had that problem. So honestly, like, I recommend these for sure. They are definitely not going to be like 15-hour wear, but I think if you're someone who doesn't know how to apply lashes, or doesn't know, like, doesn't want to like have the hassle of applying them, I think these are great. They are definitely, I don't think they're going to be reusable. I'm going to try to put them on sometime tomorrow just to see like what happens at all, because I have no idea what's going to happen, like if it's going to even want to go on. But like, honestly, if you are someone who doesn't want the hassle of putting on lashes but wants to wear them every so often, I think these are great. I would say their max though is about like 7 to 8, maybe 9 hours. Because like by now they are pretty uncomfortable, but it's just because the inner corner is falling off, and it took everything in me not to rip them off at work. So yeah, that is my review. I honestly think they're worth it. They are $5 at Ulta. They're probably $5 about everywhere you can get Allure lashes. Honestly, like, I recommend. I'm not gonna rate it on a scale of 1 to 10 because like I don't want to. But I would definitely say they're good. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. I mean, I might get these a few more times, honestly, because they're easy to work with. The only problem is, like, if it starts falling off, you're kind of fucked. So whether you're someone like me who loves to wear lashes every single day, or someone who doesn't really know how to put them on, or like doesn't really know like what to do, like, because they're pretty easy to put on, just get it as close as you can to your lash line. What I want to know from you guys though is if you are watching this, if you are someone who is interested in learning how to put lashes on, if you want me to make a video on how to do that. I can even do it with these again because I didn't really talk about it. But yeah, if you want, like, if you would like for me to make a video on how to apply lashes, just let me know. I would definitely love to. It's pretty easy for me right now, but I definitely have some like tips and tricks that I think would be pretty helpful, that I try to help people when I can. I lure pre-glued lashes. I'm pretty impressed, honestly. But I am so excited to take them off. I feel so much better. Yeah, I'll probably just put in the description box. I mean, like, they're still sticky, so I'll put in the description box tomorrow if they were able to go on tomorrow or not. Wait, what did I just say? I will put in the description below though, if they were able to be reused for a second day, or not. But I mean, hey, even if you get one use out of them, $5, that's it. Like $5. That is everything, you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you liked it. If you like these review type videos, please let me know. I kind of want to do more because they're kind of fun. But yeah, thank you again for watching. Follow my Instagram. It's right here. It's Maggie Brennan MUA. I love you so much. Thank you for watching. Bye.